Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'll be reviewing Catch by Ellen Villa in the color Chocolate Mix. Last night on our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, Sabrina and Georgia from Ellen Villa joined us to provide education and information regarding Ellen Villa on their sizing, the colors. It was a great event. We talked about all the different collections. It was so informative. Even though I've attended a few Ellen Villa trainings, there was so many points that I learned last night. It was incredible. I hope that you go over and join us on the private Facebook group. Eileen, the crazy wig lady, and we try to have a live every month, and we try to bring different brands, different styles, as much as we can, information to all our members. But last night we were fortunate and honored to have these two ladies join us that are experts in the industry. Catch was provided by Ellen Villa in collaboration with Wig Studio One, and I am so excited. I did show it during our live last night, and I didn't do anything to it except just give it a little bit of a shake because I wanted to unbox it here for you and show you this gorgeous style. The Prime Power collection any of the styles in this collection are a blend, a 40% human hair with 60% HD fibers. It feels like human hair. And what they were explaining during our live last night was that it doesn't frizz as maybe human hair does. It doesn't require the care that a human hair wig will require. Beautifully packaged. I packaged it right the same way. The box is beautiful. Ellen Villa, what could I tell you? And I thought, okay, well, I'll give that a try. I have to tell you, I was impressed. Absolutely gorgeous. I was a bit concerned also that it wouldn't fit, but it fit me fine. The color they sent me is Chocolate Mix. This is 836. So we have a blend of a medium to dark brown base, which is your 8 and your 6. Then it's highlighted with light reddish brown highlights, which is the 30. It is stunning, and it feels like human hair. It's almost as if it were 100% human hair. However, we don't have to do as much to it as far as maintenance is concerned as we would with human hair wigs. I'll show you the cap. We have a full monofilament top with a lace front, felt covered ear tabs, non-extended nape with Velcro adjusters. This is a partially hand-tied cap. There is a little bit of stretch, but there is not as much stretch as we find in an open weft as we have in the Changes collection, or some of the 100% hand-tied. Those are the ones that have the most stretch to them. Even in Changes collection, you'll have wefted sides and back. Then you have a partial mono part that will have a lot more stretch than, say, one from the Prime Power collection. However, there is a little bit of stretch here, and it fits my 21.5-inch circumference perfectly. I didn't have to cinch it in. I didn't have to do any of that. And I only wore it for, I don't know, less than 5 minutes last night. I had to show you because I think it is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Has a little bit of box hair, but as I said, I wanted to show you what it looks like out of the box. Look at this. I think it is so beautiful. I love it. We don't have any permatease whatsoever, And the density, I would say it's just a nice average density. Catch weighs 4.8 ounces and it feels as if it weighed 2 ounces. Very light. It feels very, very light. I haven't added any root powder to my hairline because I just wanted to review it really quickly here for you. We do have good coverage. Here is the ear tab, and of course my very low hairline, but that's not the wig's fault. It's my hairline that is like that. There is the ear tab and my hairline. The hairline is impeccable, as we find in all Ellen villas. Just absolutely gorgeous. And you can part it anywhere you like and still have that illusion of scalp. With this prime blend of human hair and heat-friendly fibers, we don't want to use over 300 degrees, and we use it on dry condition. So we don't want to wet it. We don't want to add any heat protectant. Just dry, just the way it is, at no more than 300 degrees. Very easily. I'll probably add a little bit of heat to it just to style it, but I feel I could really wear it this way. This is a nice long bob style. I think it's perfect if you like the longer bob styles. And we have a long fringe right here. We have a front of 5.5 inches. The crown is 11 inches. The sides are 7.5 inches, and the nape is 5 inches. Very easy to tuck. The hair feels like silk. It's beautiful. Just all right, let's take a walk outside so you could see chocolate mix out in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope that you've enjoyed this review of Catch by Ellen Villa. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Is this something that you would wear? I think it's so pretty. All right, everyone. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.